Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a traditional arroz con leche with just 5 basic ingredients. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by adding 6 cups of water to our pot, along with a pinch of salt and 2 cinnamon sticks. Set it over high heat and bring it to a boil. Okay, once it comes to a boil, we're going to add our sugar. Now, depending on how sweet you want your arroz con leche, it depends on how much you're going to add. Mix it to make sure that it dissolves. Once it dissolves, we're going to add our rinsed white rice. And here we're going to reduce to medium-low and allow it to cook between 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, the water from our rice should have evaporated, and here the rice should be nice and soft. So now we're going to add our milk, and depending on how milky you want it, then it depends on how much milk you're going to add. Just going to mix it and allow this to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, our arroz con leche should have come to a simmer. So here it is done. You can get ready to serve if you enjoy it hot or allow it to cool down. But now we are ready. So we can get ready to serve our delicious traditional arroz con leche. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's fast and very affordable. I shared this recipe with you 6 years ago, and this is what I grew up eating. My kids love it, and it still continues to be a favorite recipe. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. And of course, you know, the best part is that you can enjoy it when it's cold, when it's hot. You can always add more milk to make it more runny. But this right here, it's honestly perfect. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The best. Takes me back to my childhood. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a traditional arroz con leche. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.